How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to MaZee Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can gradually increase the sound of your audio in Premiere Pro. And this approach also works if you're trying to decrease the sound of your audio over time. So the first step is to drag your audio to the sequence. Now you can make it more visible by bringing your cursor down here to the audio track, just to the edge, and you'll get this icon. Now you just drag it down. It will reveal the volume bar as well as show you more details about the audio graph. You can also increase the length of the audio by pressing minus on the keyboard or plus on the keyboard so you can see clearly. Now if you're trying to increase the audio over time, you bring down this bar which denotes the volume level. You drag it down and then you move your cursor to exactly where you want the audio to start increasing from. So let's say I want the audio to start increasing from this point. I'll bring my cursor there and then I'll hold Command or Control on your PC and click on it. That will create the first point, which is the point at which to start increasing. Now you move your cursor to the point on the audio where you want the volume to stop increasing. Let's say I want it to stop increasing at this point. I'll just hold Command or Control on your PC and click on it. Now you drag the second point upwards up to the level where you want the volume to become constant and stop increasing, and with that you'll be able to increase the audio over time. So let's say you want to decrease the audio, the same thing applies. Let's undo everything we've done. So now we have the audio back at the normal level. All you need to do is move your cursor to where you want the audio to start decreasing from. So let's say I want it to start decreasing from here. You hold Control Command on the PC and click on that point, and then you move your cursor to the point at which you want it to stop decreasing, and then you click again. Now you just drag that second point downwards, and with that the audio is going to start decreasing from this point up onto this point. I've dropped some useful links in the description section in case you're looking for platforms where you can get premium audio for your projects, so please make sure you check that out. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure you give it a like if you did, and I will see you in the next. Peace.